you know there's a Temu gift code that not only gives you free stuff, but also unlocks extra discounts you won't find anywhere else? Yep, this step-by-step guide is all you need to start saving big and scoring real free gifts. And yes, the working promo code is waiting in the description below. Don't miss it because it disappears fast. Let's get straight to it. If you're new to Temu or just haven't explored its hidden sections, you're seriously missing out. There's a secret coupon system inside the app that gives access to exclusive deals and free gifts, but it only activates when you enter a special code. First, download the Temu app or open it if you already have it. Then go to the Earn Credits or Free Gifts tab. Now here's the key step. Copy the promo code from this video's description and paste it inside that section. Once you do, you'll instantly unlock bonus tasks, spin wheels, and mystery deals that weren't there before. These hidden offers often include things like 30 to 90% off deals, free shipping boosts, and real items like gadgets, home tools, or fashion accessories completely free. This method works best if you check in daily, complete the simple in-app tasks, and keep an eye on the reward tracker. The more you interact, the more freebies and discounts you unlock. And no, you don't need to invite anyone or buy anything to get started. Just enter the code, follow the steps, and you're in. I've personally used this trick to grab over $70 worth of Temu products. No gimmicks, no wasted time. The catch? These codes don't stay active for long. That's why I always tell people, grab the working promo code from the description right now before it expires. So what are you waiting for? Open your Temu app, follow this exact guide, paste the code, and start unlocking rewards today. You got nothing to lose and a cart full of surprises waiting. Like, follow and share for more insider hacks. Happy shopping!